Good morning, Lafayette first graders. This is Mr. Mitos from room 109. Happy Pajama Day. Today is Pajama Day for School Spirit. Today I'm going to be showing you what you need to do on your day 9 math work. Okay, so this morning you're going to be working on using addition to check subtraction. So we're just going to talk a little bit about some things that we've learned as mathematicians to help us with this skill for today. So if you remember, we talked about fact families. And fact families are 3 numbers that you create 2 related addition facts and 2 subtraction facts. So we created a fact family with our teachers before, and we're just going to go over what a fact family is, just in case you forgot what the fact family is. So there's usually 3 numbers in your house, and then you need to figure out 2 addition related facts and 2 subtraction related facts. So you're going to hear us say fact families, related facts. They're both the same thing. You're just using 2 addition, 2 subtraction. So here we have 9 plus 2 equals 11. So then remember we did the commutative property where we switched the numbers. Now we have 2 plus 9 equals 11. And then when we move over to the subtraction, our whole becomes our first number that we're subtracting from our 2 parts. So it's 11 minus 9 equals 2. 11 minus 2 equals 9. So remember, the 3 numbers must be in every fact. These 3 numbers should be in your 2 addition and your 2 subtraction facts. Now, today's problem is you're going to be doing our I can statement, which our I can statement will be, I can use addition to check subtraction. Okay, so that's our skill for today. So I'm going to help you with number 1, and then you should be able to do the rest on your own. So number 1 says that there are 15 children. 8 of them draw. The rest of them play games. How many children play games? Now, I know that my teacher also taught me another strategy that I could use when solving this problem. Not just my fact families. I can also use a number bond. Okay? So I'm going to create my number bond here on the side of the paper. Okay? And if you remember our number bond, this is our whole. And then we have our 2 parts. Okay? And our whole is always going to be the bigger number. So I already noticed from the information I have here that 15 is going to be my bigger number. 8 is going to be one of my parts. And now I need to figure out what is going to be my other part. What is that other number that I need to get my answer? So one of the strategies I also use is the counting on strategy. So if I start at 8, and I count on to number 15, that should give me my other part. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to start with 8, and I'm going to count on to 15. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many numbers did I have to count on to get to 15? So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if I add 7 plus 8, my answer should be 15. And if I count on from 8 to 15, I know that 8 plus 7 equals 15. So that would be my related fact. So Mr. Matos created a fact family for these 3 numbers. Okay, so remember, my whole was 15, my 2 parts was 8, my other part was 7. And now when I remember from here that my 3 numbers must be in every fact. So here is my addition, 7 plus 8 equals 15. Then I do the commutative property, I switch my numbers, 8 plus 7 equals 15. And then when I do my subtraction, I have 15 minus 7 equals 8. And 15 minus 8 equals 7. And I already noticed that this here is my answer for this problem here. So now I know that 15 minus 8 equals 7. And then I need a addition fact, a related addition fact to help me check my subtraction. So I can go back and look at my fact families and say, well, I can use 7 plus 8 equals 15 or 8 plus 7 equals 15. Those 2 additions will help me check my subtraction. So I can put here 8 plus 7 equals 15. So now how many children were playing games? Well, I know that 8 of them were drawing, and now 7 are the rest that were playing games. So 7 children play games. Okay, boys and girls? So like we said at the beginning of our lesson, I can use addition to check my subtraction. So here it is. I used my addition related fact to help me check my subtraction fact. Okay, boys and girls? So I'm going to show you one more time before you get back to doing your work. You can use these fact families to help you with solving addition to check subtraction. All right, thank you, boys and girls. Enjoy your day. And if you need any more